So just before we start the video, I'm going to quickly list off the materials you're going to need. You are going to need an X-Acto knife or any knife. You're going to need a soda. This is the bait. The higher sugar content, the better. You're going to need a plastic bottle. Any is good as long as it is transparent. And you're going to need some type of fastener, so tape, staples. But personally, I use wire. And if you're going to use wire, you're going to need a pick or a drill bit. And now that we've listed the materials, let's jump right into the video. Hello everybody, welcome back to the latest installment of Tech It Yourself. Today we are going to be going on a little bit of a different path. We're going to be starting a life hack series. So today we are going to be creating an insect trap out of this Gatorade bottle. Gatorade bottles work the best, but any transparent bottle will do. So what you're going to want to do to start off is you're going to want to take a knife and you're going to want to cut around this top area. Now that you have the top off, you're going to take off the cap, put it in upside down. Now that it's in upside down, you're going to want to take a sharp object such as a pick or a drill bit, and you're going to want to pierce a hole through the middle of it. Now that you have the hole through the middle, you're going to want to take a plier or any sort of fastener. The whole part is just for the wire, and you're going to want to stick it on here. And then you're going to have to use it at the top. Now you're going to want to pour in your bait. Now, this is just a ginger ale, but if you want more effective bait, you can either add more sugar to this, or you can pick a soda which has a higher sugar content in it, such as root beer or cream soda. So we're going to pour in our bait up to a level where they can still get in it, but they will have a hard time getting back out. So here we go. Now we have our corner trap. Let's go see how it does in a couple days. So as you can see, here's an example of what your trap should look like when it's done and it's hung up. So what happens is the insects crawl on the top through the hole right there, and they crawl down into the soda, and then they get their drink and they try and crawl up the sides. As you can see, these little guys are doing, crawling up the sides, and they try to crawl up the top, but they can't. So they sit there, and they sit there, and they sit there, and they end up dying because they sit there for so long trying to crawl up the top, and then they just fall in there, they drown. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little life hack. If you want to see more life hacks, please like the video and leave it a comment down in the comment section below. Like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.